Good afternoon, everybody. In the last sessions, we have discussed the dumpy level part, okay, and we have discussed the setting up, what are the temporary adjustments of the dumpy level, that is the setting up, leveling up, and finally focusing. Okay, the three parts we did in the last session. Okay, in this particular session, in your curriculum you are having a syllabus of you are having one experiment based on the study of dumpy level, auto level, and tilting level. Okay, so in this particular session we will discuss about the study of auto level and how you take the readings based upon the auto level. Stop there. There are three types of level. One is dumpy level, auto level, tilting level. Okay, these are general three types of this particular levels are there. Okay, and we are high level also. So in this particular session we will we want to study this particular auto level. Okay. Okay, so what is the difference between this auto level and dumpy level? Okay, in the previous session we will discuss about the what is dumpy level. Okay, so this auto level and with respect to the dumpy level. Okay, so in the auto level we are having a special part compensator which is situated inside this particular auto level. Okay, so what is the use of this particular compensator? If you observe that now it is a level 1. Okay, so when let us say by means of some it is the leveling is get disturbed, so now it is disturb 1. Okay, so before the disturbing, let us say if your reading is 1.2 meter. Okay, if this particular level is get disturbed, even if it is a disturbed one, the reading is remains same, that is 1.2 meter. That is the main purpose of the compensation parts of the auto level. It is same as your dumpy level. So this is eyepiece, this is your object lens, this is a focusing screw. Okay, and this one is a tangent screw. That is it is also called as slow moving screw, which is used to move the crosshair. Okay, so this is a part of auto level. Another one important aspect is that a small circular bubble is provided so as to level this particular auto level very quickly. To find out the level difference between the 2 points, we require a auto level or simply a dumpy level, or simply a level is required. Okay, another instrument that is required to find out the level difference between any 2 points is leveling staff. Okay, so it is a 4 meter leveling staff. Okay, so with the help of this with the help of auto level and with the help of this particular leveling staff, you are supposed to find out the level of the different points. How can you take the levels with respect to this particular leveling staff? Okay, so it is of length of 4 meter. Okay, when you observe at the top, you will get the length of that particular leveling staff. Okay, how to measure this leveling staff? So here in this case it is 1.4. okay, likewise 1.5, 2.4, 2.5, 2.6, like this one. Okay, here in this case in between if you observe that alternate white and black bands are provided. Okay, so as to observation it is provided like that one. Okay, and each white or black band is having a length of 5 mm. Okay, 0.005 meter. Let us say if the here when your crosshair touches at this point, it means that your reading is 1.3. When the crosshair touches at this particular point, it means that above the 1.3, here the bands are 1, 2, one white band and one black band. So here in this case the reading is 1.310. Likewise, when it touches at this location, here in this case, so when the crosshair touches at this location, here in this case the reading is 1.250. It means that if you see here it is 1.2, and if you count the number of bands, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, 10 bands are there above the 1.2. That's why it is 1.250, like this one. Okay, to find out the height of the instrument, first we have to fix the benchmark. Okay, so in this case we are having a permanent benchmark in our department, that is a 561.425 meter. Okay, so our benchmark we will take as a 561.425 meter. Okay. And now, if you observe the backside reading, in this case the backside reading is just 5 mm below the 0.9 meter. 5 mm. If you observe here clear, 5 mm below the 0.9 meter. 5 mm. If you observe here clearly, it is just below the 59 mm. Oh, sorry, 0.9 meter. Okay. So that's why here the reading is 0.895 meter. Okay, now we have taken one intermediate point at this particular station. So let us say this is a small tree we have taken. So in this case, if you observe the reading from the level station, here in this case the reading is here. Okay, here. Okay. So it is 1.1 here. At this position it is 1.1 and plus 5 mm, 5 mm. That's 1.1 plus 10 mm. So it is 1.110. In this case, if you observe the reading from the auto level, here in this case the reading is here. Okay, here is the reading. Okay, at this location reading is lies. Okay, so in this case it is 0.645. Okay, so this is the last reading, that's why it is a four-side reading. Okay, so here in this case, if you observe the reading from the auto level, it is the reading is touches to this particular point. Okay, so that's why it is above the 0.5. This is 1 band, 2 band, 3 band. Okay, that's why it is of 15 mm. Okay, so 0.5 plus 15 mm, that is 0.515 meter.